Yeah.
Here we go. Watch them birds. Alright, throw it long. Grab the car and watch.
That's barley, Dad.
Yeah, I know.
Let me do a third one.
Pinch off some of the bread. Alright, you gotta throw it real far out there. Big throw. Oh, good throw. Watch it.
Yeah, Barley! I got it! Let me do a third one.
Okay. Alright.
There, Barley! That did it, Bird! It's right there, Barley! Bird! Ah!
Okay, hold on.
There was the other
Get a
one.
big piece. Alright, wad it up really good. Big throw this time.
Let me do third one.
Okay. Uh-oh. Let me do it again. Ready? Oh man, that one went way down there to get that one. Hey, is it pretty cool?
Yeah.
Here, look, watch, I'm gonna throw this in way in the air. Ready? Those birds are crazy, aren't they?
Let me get one.
Big throw.
I do that.
Are those hungry birds?
That's throwing a hungry bird.
Big throw though. Watch out for the water though. Big throw.
Do a third one.
Good job. Ready? I'm gonna try to get them catching in the air. Ready? Throw. No, didn't get that one. Let's try another one. Ready? That's pretty crazy, isn't it? You wanna do another piece?
Yeah!
Big throw. Watch your step.
That birdie sit on it.
What?
That birdie sit on it.
He was sitting on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, try another piece.
That one went all the way far.
Yeah.
Let me do a third one.
Okay.